Good morning, everyone. Baruch Hashem b'siyata d'ishmaya. Today, we're going to start Siman Reish Samech Ches. We're talking about the concept of what is Vayechulu. You know, we say Vayechulu. What is that does, number one? So, it's brought in many things that it removes the sins of a person. When you say it 3 times, we said once in the davening, and once after davening, once in Kiddush. Those 3 times, removes the sins. So the important of saying Vayechulu, if that has to be in the public, with the tzibur saying loud, because like this you saying the word you're shutov, Ta'kodesh Baruch Hu in Ma'aseh Bereishis. What happens, if you by mistake, you started to daven, and you start Atah Chonen, you start Atah Chonen, made a mistake. What happens then? And the third, what happened if you daven actually Shmoneh Esrei, and you realize, I did the 18 brachas of the week, and then what happens? Then I realize that, it's Shabbos today, or you have to repeat back or not. So we'll start the first halacha. Din Torah b'tfilas Shabbos void gimel seifim. Aleph. Oimer Vayechulu b'tfilas Arukh. You start by Arvis. The first one say Ma'ay, we say Vayechulu. You say it 3 times. It says, the Gemara says in the Gemara Shabbos Kuf Yitel Omar Abamnune Kol HaMispal V'Oimer Vayechulu HaShamayim Nase Shutav LaKadosh Baruch Hu b'Ma'aseh Bereishis. Al tikriv Vayechulu Ela Vayechulu. Means HaKadosh Baruch Hu Vehu. It's together. Now, what happened if you didn't say B'diavad? You don't repeat back. Why? You can say it in the Kiddush. There's other ways how to prepare. Some people say, I saw that you have to say it twice after that. Okay. Halacha base. Im ta'a. Now, and before that, I want to say, what happened if a person is Shmoneh Esrei? It happens a lot of times. A middle of Shmoneh Esrei, and to say with the tzibur or not. So it depends. If it's before you said in the Shmoneh Esrei Vayechulu, so then what was the din? And you see that everybody's saying everybody saying Vayechulu louder, yeah. So the din is what? So he should say it quietly with the tzibur. Yeah? And after that, after Shmoneh, he doesn't have to say it again with another person. And some people say, but if it was after Shmoneh, and you see that the tzibur will say, so then for sure he can repeat back and can say Vayechulu. So again, this is a big kiddush over here. When he's allowed to say Vayechulu, even in Shmoneh, it's better he can say it even louder, because it's part of the tzibur. It's not. Normally, when you say Shmoneh, it has to be very quietly. But over here, there's no problem. Okay. Im omed adayim betchilat lachash Vayechulu. If he's holding with the tzibur Vayechulu, yachol amar yachad im hatzibur bekol ram. Say it loud. It's a chiddush. And there's no problem mishum magbi'a koilo. Why? כיוון שעושה בו כדי להצטרף עם הציבור ולקיים מצוות ונקדשתי. Yeah? Because there's a big hidu when he said together with the tzibur b'kol ram. But again, it's the difference we said before he did Vayechulu in the Shmoneh Esrei or after. Yeah? Before, so he said it quietly. After, he could say it. But if he already said Vayechulu and he's still in Shmoneh Esrei, yeah, so then he could say it after that Vayechulu together. So basically, it's only if he didn't say Vayechulu and then he said with the tzibur, then he can say with the tzibur. Halacha base. Im ta'ah, if he made a mistake, v'yitchil tfilat achol, he started to daven the week by mistake. Atah Chonen. So the minute is that Antonu, since really even in Shabbos you really should say 18 brachas. The reason we don't say that because it's tich on the tzibur. It's a big tich on the tzibur. That's a word. Goy merois bracha sheniskar bo sheto umatchil shel Shabbos. Then he starts on Shabbos. Lo yishno niskar b'kas Atah Chonen. לא ישנה נזכר בברוכה אחס משאר ברוכס, בין בערבית, בין בשחרית, מוסף ומינכו. ויש שאומרים, במוסף פה יש אפילו באמצע ברוכו. So we see we have a big split between Shachris, Minchah, and Ma'ariv and Musaf. In Shachris, the din is like that. We'll say it in simple words, yeah? If he did by Musaf, since Musaf is words of Lashon Earring, so the big machlokes in Musaf is that it has to be also like the week or not. So by Musaf, he stops right away and he goes back to the regular davening of Musaf, yeah? If it's Mil Shmones, it's continuing like a regular Musaf. But by Ma'ariv, Mincha, and Shachris, over there, since you really have to say like the week, the 18 brachas, but the reason we don't say the 18 brachas is because it's Tich on the Tzibur. So that's why, because of Shabbos. So that's why, if you already said Atah, even you said Atah, so you could say, so in some views holds, when you say Atah, so you can say Atah kidashta, or Atah bechaltonu, by Shachris and Mincha. And but other davening you say Yisach Moshe is a different thing, so like that. So by Ma'ariv, Shachris, and Mincha, not Musaf, so if you start it, he has to end as the chol, he has to end the bracha. Yeah? But that's besides, if you thought it's Shabbos, but if you thought it's chol, and it's chilata bilvad, yeah? So then according to some achronim, it doesn't end Atah Chonen tonu, Elawad, he ends the bracha, Atah bechaltonu, Atah kidashta, all the rest of the brachas. He doesn't end that bracha. So let's also read the Halacha Gimel, this we can end today. Im ha'asavur shu chol, he thought it's a regular day. V'itchil adaita dechol, he thought it's a regular day. Umiyad shamar teva ata nizkar kodesh shamar chonen, אבל התחיל בשל חול וגומר אותה ברכה. So he has to end that ברכה. אבל אם היה יודע שהוא שבס, he knew it's Shabbos, ושלא בכוונה התחיל תיבת התא, it was a mistake, so always you used to say that. אפילו בתפילת שחרית שאינה פותחת בעתה, אינו גומר בברכת התא חונן. דחשבן כתוב בתפילת שבס בין זו לזו, that he doesn't say the week and he starts to Shabbos. הגוי. The Arukh says the RAMA, the יכול לומר, אתה קידשת, או אתה echad. So that's why we don't consider it Shabbos, and it doesn't have to continue. Anyhow, I want to wish everyone today a good day. It was a big miracle, and Baruch Hashem, have a good day today.
Good day.